A lot of startups ask me how to put a valuation on their pre-revenue startups. That is the startup that is just an idea or a prototype or a minimum viable product and hasn't gone out to the market yet. It's very difficult and to estimate the exact valuation for a pre-revenue startup, and there are different investors use different methodologies, but one of the most widely accepted methodology is Scorecard methodology by Bill Payne, and there's a lot of details in there. It varies from market to market, country to country, which industry sector you are in, and so on. But I would, in this video, I'll probably highlight on one specific thing that influences your valuation. Now, if you are going to investors with just an idea, that's it, I've got this amazing $1 million idea and this is what I want to sell you, and you don't have any wireframes, any prototypes, anything to support that, which means you haven't done a lot of thinking, then your valuation is going to be extremely low and your chances of getting investment would be really low. But if you're going to investors with proper wireframes, designs, sketches, prototypes, concepts, in that case you can expect a pre-money valuation if your idea is liked by investors to be around $500,000, and now it can be lower than $500,000 depending on a whole lot of variety of factors, and can be sort of more than $500,000 as well. But that's a sort of a base figure. Now, if you have developed your concept to a minimum viable product, that's a working prototype, and something that can actually go out to the market and be tested, then you can expect a valuation of $1 million. So there's a big jump from $500,000 to $1 million just when you have already developed a minimum viable product, because now investors can see that you are more committed and their risk is lowered. You can further enhance your valuation to $1.5 million if you have developed the application completely, if it's an app, or if you developed the product completely, have created a go-to-market strategy and have launched it in the market, and you're still sort of waiting for a lot of revenue to come in, or you're sort of just doing demos and things like that, then you can expect a valuation of around $1.5 million. But if you have got paying customers, which means you have started generating some revenue from that, which means you have already proven a lot of your business hypothesis and business models canvas, then you can actually expect a valuation of somewhere around $2 million. Now, it's a very arbitrary figure. It actually is dependent on a whole lot of different factors, and what you can do is you can use the startup valuation calculator tool that I have provided the link to in the description, or you can just Google search Enterprise Monkey Startup Valuation Calculator, and you'll find the calculator where you can fill in all your values and get an accurate, not an accurate, but an estimate of what your valuation could look like. There are other factors in startup valuation that are around market size, industry size, your team. Team is a big influencing factor, who you are. Generally, they say investors don't invest in ideas, they invest in the team, invest in the people. So team is matters a lot, your industry experience, knowledge, and so on. So you can see all those criteria in that tool. So you just have to search Enterprise Monkey Startup Valuation Calculator and get an accurate idea. And in my further videos, I'll be talking a bit more about how the valuation works and how you can better calculate the valuation for your startup and increase it. Till then, it's goodbye from Aamir. Thank you.